Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Vigoro of the Good Teacher videos, and I am the Good Teacher. Today we're going to be covering dividing whole numbers. So in this case, we have an equation in which our answer will be a decimal number. So here we have 45 divided by 70. Whenever you see an equation written like this, the second number is the number that goes on the outside. The first number is the number that goes on the inside. So now we have to figure out how many times 70 goes inside 45. For those of you that already know the answer, we already know it's going to be 0. 70 goes inside 45 0 times, but now it becomes a decimal. So what do we do in this part to figure out what is next? It's very simple. You're going to add a 0. So now you're going to be doing 70 inside of 450. And I will write the numbers over here. We'll start with 70, 140, 210, 280, 350, 420, and then 490. So we know 70 can go inside 450 at least, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We leave it at 6 times because if we go any further, 490 is much larger than 450. So we know the number 70 can go inside 450 6 times. So we'll put the 6 right here. Now this does not mean we're done. Here we only have one digit. I want to get to at least the second one. And how do we do that? Very simple. We're going to multiply this 6 to the 70. And if you already have it here, we know that that would be 420. And we subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 4 is 0. So now we have 30. But we're still not done. Remember, I want to get the second digit. And in order to do that, I need to add another 0. And what happens to this 0? Well, I bring it down. And now this 30 becomes 300. So now we have to figure out how many times the number 70 goes inside 300. And if you look on my right hand side, we have my numbers already. We know that 70 goes inside 300 at least 4 times. It can't be 350 because 350 is bigger than 300. So 4 is going to go right here. And that is my answer. 0.64. Now I could do it one more time and that won't be an issue for me. So let's do 4 times 70 and we know what that's going to give us 280. Then we subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. We can't do 0 minus 8, so we have to borrow. So this 3 becomes a 2 and this 0 becomes a 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Now to figure out our last digit, we're going to add another 0. And we're going to bring it down. So now this 20 becomes 200. Now we need to figure out how many times 70 goes inside 200. And if you look to your right, we have it right here. We know 70 goes inside 200 2 times. It cannot be 210 because 210 is bigger than 200. So that 2, we're going to put it right up here. And then if you want to keep figuring out how many other digits go there, you can just follow the same process as before. And to confirm my answer, I always like doing it on a calculator. So here we have my calculator. We're going to do 45 divided by 70 equals 0.642, 0.642. It's all about mental math. Once you master division and multiplication, this type of math becomes very easy. But anyways, that's all the time I have. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope this information was valuable to you, and I hope you can share it with your friends and family. I wish you all a fantastic day and a greater week. God bless.